Many countries supported us, our neighbors in the region. Pakistan is one of them. So this victory is not only for Iraq, it's for Pakistan, because they already supported us very much in this battle. We share the same enemy with Pakistan. The same enemy of Pakistan is the enemy of Iraq, okay? And there is military, just like intelligence cooperation between Iraq and Pakistan. Other than that, Pakistan is supporting us with military weapons. Okay, yes. And something else, they proposed for me to, just like medical helps, hospitals, still the military side, I'm speaking about the military sector of the Pakistani government. Regarding Pakistani, just like Pakistanis among ISIS, well, for sure, anywhere you can find good guys and bad guys. Pakistan providing us with training for our pilots. They are just like getting trained here. Well, there is already existing cooperation between Iraq and Pakistan, and just like intelligence cooperation. We share information together.